Decoding insurance documents can be tricky because these documents are full of clauses, conditions and fine print which you can't always make sense of. Now recently one clause has been making the headlines, which is called the material change clause. Now usually you spot this clause in home or auto insurance policies, but this time it's being spotted in health insurance policy. So what does this clause mean, and can it affect your claims, premiums or coverage? Let's find out.
I am Nidhi Sinha, editor of Digitization Aspects of Our Life and all the industries.
When you buy health insurance for the first time, you are supposed to disclose all your medical conditions. It could be hypertension, thyroid, heart ailment or just anything else. In fact, you are also supposed to disclose the family's medical history. In some cases, insurers also do a detailed medical checkup and then later fix the premiums depending on various conditions, including your medical conditions and history. Now, the material change clause kicks in when it is time for the policy renewal. Usually, that happens annually. The clause indicates that every time policyholders renew their plan, they are required to inform the insurer about any change in their health metrics. So, fresh disclosures on health, including any additional health condition that you may have developed. That, in turn, may result into an increase in the premiums or reduction in the coverage in case there is something extra to disclose. That of course is the worrying part and has become a bone of contention. But more importantly, this clause is in contravention with the rules of the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority. And therein lies the good news. The Master Circular on Health Insurance Business issued by IRDAI in 2024 specifies certain conditions for renewal. First, a policy will be renewed if there is no case of fraud, non-disclosure or misrepresentation by the insured person. Second, it will be renewed even if the policyholder has made a claim in the previous year. Third, at the time of renewal, the insurer will not opt for fresh underwriting, which is about the assessment of risk the policyholder faces and fixing of premiums and other conditions accordingly. It can do so only if there is an increase in the sum insured. The biggest takeaway, while the material change clause indeed sounds worrying, the rules are in your favor. Plus, health insurance can be renewed for life. But keep in mind that health insurance can increase your premiums as you keep crossing certain age thresholds. Also, you must remember to disclose all your health conditions honestly at the time of buying a health insurance policy, or you may suffer while making claims. Stay informed, stay insured. Keep watching Nidhi Talks for more such insight.